Hey, thanks for watching. Today we are going to prep a wheel for a new tire install, and we are going to install a aluminum valve stem. So all this funk on the lip of the wheel, and this wheel isn't that bad. I've seen much worse. But when you get a new tire put on, your tire installer really should take some 4/0 um, yeah, steel wool, like what I have. That's going to be 4/0 steel wool. And spray some WD-40, or like I did, I put some greased lightning on there and scrub the bead, the lip of the wheel, so your tire will seal properly. If you have a slight air leak, it's usually due to rubber buildup on the bead of the wheel. Next, we're always going to put in a new valve stem. I hate rubber valve stems, so I went ahead and I cut the rubber valve stem off of this wheel. I really like metal valve stems. Whenever I install tires for somebody, I always install an aluminum valve stem. I do a 90-degree angled valve stem in the front to make it easier to check the air and add air. And then I do a straight aluminum valve stem in the rear. The cost of this valve stem is about the same as what a rubber valve stem costs. I buy in bulk, so I can get the price down around 45 cents for the straight valve stem, and it's about $3 for the 90-degree valve stem. So I'm taking out the valve core. This is called a Schrader valve. So that in my hand is a Schrader valve, and I'm going to set that aside. And then I just take off the retaining nut and washer that holds your valve stem onto the wheel. And I don't know if you can see in my left hand, there's a rubber like O-ring, a thick O-ring, and that's what seals this valve stem to the wheel. And then we just insert the valve stem into the wheel. Change the camera view, and now we're looking down at it. So we're just going to push the valve through the wheel. We're going to put the washer on and then the nut, and then tighten it down. So when you're done, you have a valve stem that's not going to break off. It's not going to dry rot, and it just looks better on your wheel, and it's safer for you. So thanks for watching my video. I hope this was a little bit of information that you could use in the future, and please watch some of my other videos.